All right, I wanted to show you a couple little details here on this wine cabinet or wine cellar here. So this one's totally conditioned space. It's got sealed around on the glass, keep the temperature exactly where it needs to be. So a couple things here. One is, so this one here gets a, it's called a bottle probe is what it's called, basically a thermometer. So this one will get, you set up one bottle, it'll get filled up with water, and then that will keep the temperature, monitors the temperature of the, so it's not only the room, so you want to make sure the liquid is exactly the temperature that they set it on. And then this one has a control over here right now. We've got it off right now, just doing some touch-ups in here still. And they jumped ahead of us here and started setting some stuff up. I can't blame them, looks amazing. And so wanted to show you the other thing here on this vent set up over here. Let's see if we zoom that in better. There we go. Okay, so now there's two vents here. So the top one is the supply air. That's bringing the air from the AC unit, basically, which is a small unit. And then the vent on the bottom, that's the return air. So that keeps the air kind of cycling, and then that can keep that temperature exactly set where it needs to be. Now, on this vent, you'll see up top here, it looks, it's black. So the reason we did that, I'll show you the grill here. So here's the grill. These are kind of flush grills. These are Invisagrills. Now you can see a little bit in the back there, you can see the ductwork. So that's, the chrome silver ductwork. Now this vent, we're gonna have the grills pointing up, so they'll come up here. But you can still, because of we don't have a whole lot of space in here, you can still kind of see in there. So what we've done is spray painted, or painted the inside of that a flat black. That way you don't see the shine of the ductwork, the silver metallic ductwork, when this sets in here. Boom, perfectly flush. So now you just kind of see black in behind the grills instead of a silver shiny, which you would have seen if that wasn't painted. So just a minor little detail, but again, all these little things make a difference. Otherwise, you see it here and you kind of see kind of the shiny silver piece. That's what we saw this morning here before we got it painted. The last little bit touch up on it. Now, so now it's looking super sharp. There it is there. So now you can see when you're looking sideways into it, it just looks black in behind it, instead of seeing, some shiny silver ductwork that's going to kind of reflect out if you're looking at it from out here. And the bottom one's down on the floor, so you can't see it anyways. I'll actually show you this just as a contrast. Maybe you'll be able to see it. No, so even it's too low, you can't really see it. So anyways, that's just a little detail I wanted to show you. Again, all these things matter. So, or in this case, we don't see them. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.